Welcome to a world where raw power meets precision. From colossal stump splitters to high-performance log haulers, today's forestry machines are transforming how we harvest, cut, and process wood. Get ready to witness incredible engineering at work. Machines that don't just get the job done, they dominate. The custom-built stump splitter by Sunrise Excavating is an absolute beast. Engineered for solo operation, it effortlessly turns bulky stumps into renewable energy for cogeneration plants. It's not just practical, it's revolutionary. Meet the Xylo 800, a professional-grade woodworking machine built for serious firewood production. With a 350 horsepower engine and precision saw blade, it slices through massive trunks with ease, delivering perfectly sized logs every time. Navigating steep terrain while hauling massive loads isn't for the faint of heart. But with expert driving and a powerhouse truck, the impossible becomes routine. In a quiet Texas town, a powerful Freightliner truck equipped with a 600 horsepower engine is dominating the roads. Its smooth handling and heavy-duty capacity make it perfect for hauling logs with unmatched efficiency. Forestry clearing is reaching new heights. Trees up to 70 centimeters thick and over 20 meters tall are no match for the 200 horsepower excavator that lifts 1-ton logs like they're nothing. With advanced 6-stick controls, operators can unload faster than ever before. The modern Carly industrial wood sawing system is engineered to handle multiple logs simultaneously with extreme precision. Its automatic conveyor and cutting tools transform raw timber into clean-cut blocks, ready for any production line. The Hacky Pilk EZ50 HD is a compact but mighty woodcutting machine. Weighing only 2,645 pounds and running on a 37 horsepower motor, it's powerful, fast, and versatile. Ideal for any size job. Let's not forget the massive wood crusher, powered by a 300 horsepower engine and weighing over 44,000 pounds. It pulverizes wood into fine chips at lightning speed, boosting overall productivity. The John Deere 540J skidder is more than a machine. It's a workhorse in modern forestry. With 190 horsepower and a 23,000-pound frame, it moves trees with unmatched efficiency.
If you are a business owner in the timber industry, do not miss this powerful machine.
If you're in the timber business, don't overlook the mighty K700. This 300 horsepower, 26,000-pound powerhouse is built to handle the toughest forestry tasks while saving serious time and labor. And just wait until you see the single-grip stump harvester in action. Watch it shred even the most stubborn stumps like paper. In Eastern Europe, advanced pyrolysis systems are turning wood waste into clean-burning charcoal. These machines not only recycle waste efficiently but also produce sustainable fuel, helping the environment and economy alike. Known as the forest monster, the Cabocote de Ruber TMO is a cutting head built to dominate. Whether mounted on a skidder or excavator, its hydraulic cutting system can take down the hardest trees quickly and accurately. Debartage, or log forwarding, is essential in forestry. Specialized vehicles like skidders and cable cars traverse rugged terrain to move logs from forest to mill with minimal environmental impact. Outdoor sawmills, often located near lumberyards, are built for power and speed. With heavy-duty saw blades, they make quick work of even the thickest frozen logs, delivering fast, accurate cuts in all conditions.